What is it that makes a superhero? Is it the flashy costume, the superhuman abilities, or perhaps the unyielding dedication to justice? Or could it be something much simpler, something that lies within the heart of every child? Meet Kwame, a young boy from a vibrant African village. His life was a whirlwind of energy and curiosity, his days filled with adventures and games. One day, in the midst of his play, Kwame discovered something unusual, a discarded tire. But to Kwame, this wasn't just a piece of rubbish. No, it was a spark of inspiration. In the hands of Kwame, the tire was not just a tire. It was a symbol of heroism, of bravery, of the extraordinary. Inspired by his favorite superheroes, Kwame decided to become one himself. He was to be the village's very own tire man. With the tire as his centerpiece, Kwame set out to create his superhero costume. He gathered fabric scraps, discarded cardboard, and most importantly, a generous helping of imagination. And so, Tire Man was born, complete with a makeshift cape and a tire around his waist. With a triumphant shout, Kwame, now Tire Man, dashed through the village. He embarked on daring rescues, saving his friends from imaginary disasters and bringing laughter wherever he went. His superhero antics were a spectacle to behold, a spark of joy in the heart of the village. But what Kwame didn't realize was the impact he was having on his community. His joy was infectious, his laughter a balm to the weary. His playful antics brought light to the village, uniting its people in shared amusement and wonder. He was more than just a boy with a tire. He was Tire Man, the village superhero, a beacon of joy and laughter. He proved that you don't need superhuman powers or a flashy costume to be a superhero. Sometimes all you need is a tire, a little imagination, and the spirit of play. And so, the tale of Tire Man, the superhero born from the simple joys of childhood in Africa, serves as a reminder to us all. Superheroes come in all shapes and sizes, from all walks of life, and sometimes they can be found in the most unexpected places, like a dusty African village in a boy named Kwame who found a tire and decided to save the world.